Hello everyone, welcome on Let's Study channel. Today we are going to learn 2.5 book review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan from class 10th. See, book review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. A little bit about the book. Anything I mention about the book can be mistakenly understood as spoilers, so I would rather give a glance into the book without mentioning any events or plots of the story. पुस्तकाबाबत मी कोणताही उल्लेख केला तरी त्याने कथेचे सार बिघडवल्यासारखे होईल. त्याऐवजी कोणत्याही घटनेचा किंवा कथानकाचा तपशील न देता केवळ पुस्तकावर ओझरता दृष्टिक्षेप टाकणे योग्य ठरेल. In short, the narrator wants to increase the reader's curiosity without mentioning any event from the book. Swami is a mischievous little kid of about 10 years old and living in the era where India was under the British rule. Like most kids of that age, Swami is a kid who cannot stay at one place and absolutely hates school, even worse mathematics. School is his absolute nightmare. Anyway, the story unfolds around the happenings of this kid and how he constantly gets into trouble and gets a good beating from his father. Difficult words. Era. Era means a long and distinct period of history. Means yuga. Nightmare. A very frightening experience. भयानक अनुभव. मीन्स स्वामी हा 10 वर्षांचा खोडकर मुलगा जो ब्रिटिशकालीन भारतात राहतो त्याच्या वयाच्या इतर मुलांप्रमाणेच स्वामी हाही एका जागी स्वस्थ न बसणारा, शाळा अजिबात न आवडणारा, त्यातही गणिताचा अधिकच तिटकारा करणारा मुलगा आहे. शाळा ही त्याच्यासाठी भयंकर शिक्षा आहे. या मुलाच्या आयुष्यातील अनेक घटना, त्याचे सतत संकटात पडणे, वडिलांकडून मार बसणे इत्यादी घटनांमधून ही गोष्ट उलगडत जाते. In short, Swami is 10 years kid who is mischievous, hates school and even more mathematics. He always gets into trouble and beating from his father. Swami is a talkative little kid and thinks that's his way of facing life, talking himself out of everything. But he does learn the truth the harsh way. As many teens back then, all he wants to do is play under the sun, kick something, climb a tree, break something and harass somebody. Unlike kids today, this in fact was, and in most parts of India still is, the life of a typical boy growing up. This in fact was the life of a typical boy growing up. Technology isn't big in a kid's life. All they want is to play havoc. Difficult words. Harass somebody means trouble, त्रास देणे. To play havoc means to prevent normal function and cause damage. अनर्थ. स्वामी एक बडबड्या मुलगा आहे. त्याच्या मते प्रत्येक गोष्टीबाबत स्वतःशी बोलून आयुष्याला सामोरे जाण्याचा त्याचा मार्ग आहे. पण सत्य त्याला कठोर मार्गानेच समजते. त्या काळातील अनेक किशोरवयीन मुलांप्रमाणे त्यालाही उन्हात खेळणे, वस्तू लाथेने किंवा पायाने उडवणे, झाडावर चढणे, मोडतोड करणे, कोणाला तरी त्रास देणे अशा गोष्टी करण्यात मजा वाटते जी आजच्या मुलांना वाटत नाही. अर्थात किशोर वयातील कोणत्याही मुलाचे वागणे असेच असायचे आणि भारतात अनेक ठिकाणी अजूनही ते आहे. मुलांच्या आयुष्यात तंत्रज्ञानाला मोठे स्थान नसते, त्यांना फक्त दंगामस्ती करायची असते. In short, Swami is a talkative boy, which is his way of facing life. As many other teens, he wants to play in the sun, kick something, climb a tree, break something, and harass somebody. In what ways is Swami a typical boy in his growing years? कोणत्या प्रकारे स्वामी त्याच्या वाढत्या वयात वैशिष्ट्यपूर्ण वाटतो? Question. What is the most striking quality of 10-year-old Swami? See here, two qualities are given. One is talkative and next is talking himself out of everything. I think his striking quality is he is a talkative little kid. In this regard, Narayan gets deeply into the working of Swami's 10-year-old mind, explaining exquisitely how he thinks and what his perspective of the world is. The reader does feel like Swami and gets very attached with the character as the story progresses. That's the magic of Narayan. Difficult words. Exquisite means in a pleasing manner. उत्कृष्ट and exquisitely means उत्कृष्टपणे. Perspective means point of view, दृष्टिकोन. या संदर्भात नारायण यांनी स्वामीचे 10 वर्ष वयाचे मन, त्याची विचार करण्याची पद्धती, जगाकडे पाहण्याचा दृष्टिकोन याचे सखोल व उत्कृष्ट वर्णन केले आहे. जसजशी कथा पुढे सरकते तसतसे वाचक स्वतःला स्वामीमध्ये पाहू लागतात आणि त्यांची त्या पात्राशी जवळीक निर्माण होते. तीच नारायण यांच्या लिखाणाची जादू आहे. In this story, Narayan worked so deeply and exquisitely on Swami's mind, how he thinks and his view of the world that as the story progresses, the reader does feel like Swami and gets attached with that character. That is the magic of Narayan. Significance of the book. पुस्तकाचे वैशिष्ट्य. Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan is not merely an interesting read that could be enjoyed from top to bottom, but the work attributes a lot of literary values even if it is a teen book. Difficult word. Attribute means to refer to. संबंध जोडणे. आर के नारायण यांचे स्वामी आणि मित्र हे पुस्तक केवळ मनोरंजक आणि सुरुवातीपासून शेवटपर्यंत वाचनाचा आनंदच देत नाही, तर किशोरवयीन मुलांसाठीचे पुस्तक असूनही त्यामध्ये उत्तम साहित्यिक मूल्ये आहेत. स्वामी and Friends is not only an interesting book, but it also has a lot of literary values even though it is a teen book. Swami and Friends is a good read for the kids and teens alike. Also, the book is widely used in the Asian continent as a study text for the students who study literature as a subject at schools. This does not mean that the book is filled with heavy grammar and technical jargon. Actually, the truth is in contrary to this. Difficult word. Technical jargon means words used by particular professionals that others fail to understand. पारिभाषिक शब्द. स्वामी आणि मित्र हे पुस्तक लहान मुलं व किशोर या दोघांसाठीही तितकेच चांगले आहे. तसेच आशिया खंडातील अनेक शाळांमध्ये साहित्य हा विषय शिकणाऱ्यांसाठी हे पुस्तक एक विषय म्हणून अभ्यासले जाते. याचा अर्थ पुस्तकात क्लिष्ट व्याकरण आणि पारिभाषिक शब्दांचा वापर आहे असे नव्हे. सत्य तर अगदी याच्या उलट आहे. In this passage, the narrator tells The book is good for kids as well as teens. It used as a subject for the students those learn literature at school level in Asian continent. Though it is studied as a literature, it is not full of heavy grammar and professional literary language. Actually, the truth is in contrary to this. Swami and Friends is written in such simple English, it is hard to imagine that it is a work of such a literary genius like R.K. Narayan. The English used in the book is both plain and simple without any troubling words for the kids. Also, the use of simple and short sentences add to the simplicity of the book. स्वामी आणि फ्रेंड्स हे एवढ्या साध्या इंग्रजी भाषेत लिहिले आहे की ते R.K. नारायण यांच्यासारख्या अलौकिक साहित्यिकाने लिहिले असावे यावर विश्वास ठेवणे कठीण जाते. यातील भाषा मुलांच्या दृष्टीने साधी, सरळ, कठीण शब्द नसणारी अशी आहे. साधी छोटी वाक्ये पुस्तकाच्या साधेपणामध्ये भर घालतात. In short, Swami and Friends is written in simple, plain language without using troubling words. Simple and short sentences adds to the simplicity of the book. Question: what does the review say about R.K. Narayan's style and language? His style and language is simple, without heavy grammar and technical jargon. It is mentioned in the description that the book is about a mischievous 10-year-old Indian boy, and some parents may be concerned about the influence this will have on their already mischievous children. But the book is as such that it encompasses the mischief of the kids in a view of the kid which is harmless and pure in his perspective. Also, amidst all the mischief and naughtiness, we actually find that Swami is a loving and a tender kid who is actually very sensitive. It is also a known fact that mischievous kids are the most sensitive and loving people of all. And R.K. Narayan does a great job conveying that to all of us. Difficult words. Encompasses means circles around, घेरणे. Sensitive means quick to understand feelings of others, संवेदनशील. means पुस्तकाच्या वर्णनामध्ये भारतातील 10 वर्ष वयाच्या खोडकर मुलाच्या वर्णनाचा उल्लेख आहे. त्यामुळे काही आईवडील अगोदरच खोडकर असलेल्या त्यांच्या मुलांवर याचा काय परिणाम होईल या काळजीत असू शकतात. सर्व खोड्या आणि खट्याळपणामध्ये सुद्धा आपल्याला स्वामीमध्ये एक प्रेमळ आणि हळूवार मुलगा जो खूप संवेदनशील आहे असा आढळतो. खोडकर मुलं ही सर्वात जास्त संवेदनशील व प्रेमळ असतात हे वास्तव सर्वज्ञात आहे आणि R.K. नारायण यांनी हे आपणा सर्वांपर्यंत पोहोचवण्याचे महान कार्य केले आहे. In short, the description of 10-year-old mischievous boy may be anxious for some Indian parents whose children are already mischievous, but the book encircles the mischief in a view of kid, which is harmless and pure. We find a loving, tender and sensitive boy amidst all the mischiefs. R.K. Narayan does a great job by conveying us the fact that mischievous kids are the most sensitive and loving people of all. See, here is R.K. Narayan. So, in conclusion, it can be said that this book is a good read for children of all ages who may just enjoy a good read or who may want to improve their English skills. थोडक्यात सांगायचे तर हे पुस्तक सर्व वयोगटातील मुलांसाठी ज्यांना केवळ वाचनाचा आनंद घ्यायचा आहे तसेच ज्यांना इंग्रजीचे कौशल्य वाढवायचे आहे अशा सर्वांना उत्तम वाचनानुभव देणारे आहे. अबाउट द ऑथर. लेखकाविषयी. The author of Swami and Friends is India's one of the greatest authors of all time, R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is responsible for many of the outstanding literary works India has ever produced, and this book is particular captures the essence of India under British ruling and the mind and life of a typical teenage kid. Difficult words. Outstanding means excellent, उत्कृष्ट. Essence means spirit, सार. स्वामी आणि मित्र चे लेखक आर के नारायण हे भारतातील सर्वकालीन महान लेखकांपैकी एक लेखक आहेत. अनेक उत्तमोत्तम भारतीय साहित्य कृतींच्या निर्मितीमध्ये त्यांचे मोठे योगदान आहे आणि हे पुस्तक ब्रिटिशकालीन भारताचे आणि एका साध्यासुध्या किशोरवयीन मुलाची मानसिकता आणि जीवन याचे सार सांगते. क्वेश्चन. What are the two advantages of reading this book? The two advantages are, one is to enjoy a good read and other is to improve English skills. Other great works by Narayan include Malgudi Days, The Guide, The Painter of Science, and many more literary works such as the Ramayana, a shortened modern prose version of the Indian epic, and the Mahabharata, a shortened modern prose version of the Indian epic. Go take a look at them if you are interested. आर के नारायण यांच्या इतर काही महान कृती. मालगुडी डेज, द गाईड, द पेंटर ऑफ सायन्स आणि इतर अनेक साहित्यिक कृती जसे की रामायण एक संक्षिप्त आधुनिक भारतीय महाकाव्य, महाभारत एक संक्षिप्त आधुनिक भारतीय महाकाव्य उल्लेखनीय आहेत. आवड असल्यास हे जरूर वाचा. See the book Swami and Friends. Some books of R.K. Narayan are The English Teacher, The Bachelor of Arts, Malgudi Ki Kahaniyan, The Guide. I suggest you to read some of the books written by R.K. Narayan which will help you to improve your English skill. Thank you for watching the video.